Wix versus Squarespace. Which one is better for blogging? Today we are going to talk about Wix website builder versus Squarespace website builder. Which one is better for your blogging? So here I have this table demonstrating the difference. At first of all, we'll talk about the Wix. Wix have very flexible blogging features suitable for all levels, which means it is more flexible and as easy and have more customization options. But if you talk about the Squarespace, it is less flexible but easy to start. So if you are just starting, I would suggest you can go for Squarespace as well. But if you are looking for blogging for the long term, I would suggest you Wix, because at first it will be difficult for you to learn Wix, but as soon as you gain experience or skill levels, you won't have any problems. And the second thing is you won't have any limit or any customization limits. So in my case, Wix is the winner, but it totally depends upon you. If you're just starting, you can try Squarespace as well. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.